ELON factory covers more than 5,000 square meters, including high-standard independent dust-free workshop, 6 assignment assembly lines, and warehouse with average produce quantity 8,000 units per month. We'll warmly welcome OEM or ODM order, whether new product designs or seeking for new applications or solutions. Guangzhou ELON Technology Company Limited has been dedicated to LCD commercial display industry, specialized in interactive whiteboard, LCD video wall, and digital signage with factory in Foshan, China access ISO 9001 CE FCC ROHS certificates. Our experienced teams provided 24 hours online support from pre-sales, solution consult, and after-sales guarantee.